everyone, right now my mom and I are headed to the Long Beach Flea Market. I've been going to the Long Beach Flea Market for about 20 years, which is so crazy, but I've been going since I was around 8 years old. And so much from my parents' house and from my house was purchased at this flea market, so it's definitely one of the better ones in California, and I'm so excited to go shopping today. There's a few things I'm on the hunt for, specifically 2 pieces of art. I want to replace this art piece on my collage in my living room, and I also need just one more little wall decor item for my bathroom, and that's all I'm on the hunt for today. But I'm excited to get stuff for our space and also just find some stuff that I didn't even know I was looking for. We just got back from the flea market and I got a bunch of great stuff. Most of it, me and my mom are gonna be selling in our space at Magnolia and Willow, so I'm gonna start by showing you everything we got to sell. We got a little Bentley.
Oh, sorry, I was gonna say, while I was at the flea market this morning, I picked up this dog, super cheap, 50 cents. Can you believe it? It's such a bargain.
So this is everything we got. Most of it is kind of a Hawaiian or Asian theme. I got this spare key holder, and if you go like that, you can put a key in it, and it has a magnet. This Montana Owl spoon rest, I think I actually might keep this. It's treasure craft, but I've been wanting a new spoon rest, so yeah, I might keep that for my kitchen. This Hawaii ashtray, it says Hawaii on the front and has a little surfer girl. This is a fish ring holder, and it has rhinestone eyes. This lipstick holder that can hold a bunch of lipsticks and then makeup brushes or some mascara or something like that in the middle. An Old Town San Diego dish or ashtray. This is also treasure craft. This pineapple trivet is super cute. Really like that. This set of 4 tea bag holders. There's 2 that are Las Vegas, and then the other 2 are the Hoover Dam. A Hawaii dish, and it's actually made in Hawaii. A Florida plate with flamingos on it. These Hawaii salt and pepper shakers with a hula dancer on it. These 2 girl figurines. These would look so cute in a tiki style room or shelf. We got this stainless steel and wood dish. These look really cute in the middle of a dining table or in a mid-century hutch. A few different mugs. This one is the Playboy Club. And then these 2 are just tiki mugs. I got a bunch of these Fort Worth National Bank signs. I actually might keep this one as a Christmas decoration. I just think it's super cute. Love that wreath. But the rest of them I will probably be selling. That's another really cute Christmas one. I didn't even notice it until just now. That one's so cute too. This one is another favorite, but I'm pretty sure I'll be selling this one during Christmas time. And this is the last thing we got to sell. It is this really beautiful silk tapestry. And the next 2 items I'll be keeping. The first one is this little wooden painted owl. It says, "God bless this damn apartment." I might be keeping this for my bathroom, but I'm not sure if the orange is gonna go with the theme. So if not, I might put it in my kitchen or in my front room. And this last item is my favorite purchase of the day. It is this huge carpet bag purse with wicker on the sides. It's not really carpet, it's kind of like a hula grass skirt. It's that type of feeling, and it's really big and spacious, and I think I will be using it a lot this summer because it'll go with all my new clothes that I shared in my last haul. I asked you guys on Instagram if you had any flea market related questions, so I got a few and I will be answering them right now. Kevin Green on Instagram had 2 questions. The first is, do you ever visit great flea markets but still leave without purchasing anything? The answer to that is yes. Normally I do leave with something every time I go to the flea market, but it's not always great days like today where I leave with a bunch of stuff. Sometimes it's just one item, and also sometimes there's a lot of great stuff but it's just overpriced, which was happening a lot today. So you just never know. You kind of have to just go consistently, and most of the time there will be good stuff. His second question is, flea market advice states both start early for the best deals and the best deals can be made just before closing. Does the advice depend on the individual flea market? So my experience is that there's really great deals towards the end of the day. I am not one of those early bird flea market people. I never have been, but I'm sure there are great deals, but you have to pay more usually to go in early. And also it's the beginning of the day, so people are more likely to stick to their pricing at the beginning, and then towards the end they don't want to go home with all of their stuff, so they will get more lenient if you ask for a discount. Marissa Smith asked, my main question is, what do you do when you find furniture that won't fit in your car? Uber XL? So luckily me and my mom got a Honda Pilot for our business because we buy a lot of furniture and selling antiques is our income, so we needed a big car. But before we had that, we really depended on one of our best friends. Her name's Emily Yep, and she owns Magnolia and Willow, and she helped us a lot because she has a big truck, and she actually still helps us if something won't fit in our car. She'll come like spur of the moment and help us, which is so nice. So I suggest either getting a big car if you're going to be serious about buying and selling, but if you're not serious, definitely get a friend who has a big car, or if you need to rent a car for the day, or maybe Uber XL. I don't know, I've never tried that, but that could work, I'm not sure. Tess Connellan asked, what is your advice for decorating in a small space? I'm a maximalist, but I don't have my own apartment, just a room, and it's tiny, only a few shelf spaces. Okay Tess, I suggest going and watching my vintage room tour video. It's from a few years ago, and when I lived with my parents, I packed my tiny room full of stuff, which now that I have my own apartment, I would probably not do that. But when you are in a small room and you love your stuff, I do think that you should just pack it and make it really cute and eclectic and just full of all your favorite things. So yeah, check out that video. I'll link it down below and you'll see how I did it. I packed so much stuff in a small space. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon.